Hi, I'm Chris from Faradite, and we're at ISE 2020. And today, just want to talk to you about our next generation keypads that are due to be launched at the end of 2020. So, in the past, we have had only had a digital input on the back of our keypads, but today at the show, we're pleased to announce that we are developing a KNX backplate for our range of contemporary keypads. We're also developing a volt-free or dry contact module for the back of our keypads so they can be integrated into some of these systems. We're also making sure that we have back compatibility with our existing installations with a digital output version of the Tap 5 keypads. For more information, head to www.faradite.com or check out @Faradite on all the socials. Thanks very much.